You've probably seen it floating around Lunar. It's got a shiny logo, talks about rewards, and seems to be tied to spending. But is it really a cryptocurrency? Let's dive into the cosmic depths of this question and find out. Think about this. What if you were told there's a new kind of money out there, something that promises rewards for your everyday spending but doesn't actually use blockchain technology? Would you call it a cryptocurrency? This is where Lunar gets interesting. It's like a black hole of finance. It sucks you in with promises of rewards, but what it actually is a bit of a mystery. Let's break it down. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets, secured by cryptography, operating on a decentralized blockchain network. They serve as a medium of exchange, but also as a store of value. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, they all fit this mold. Now, Lunar. It gives you rewards for spending, right? But, is it decentralized? Does it use blockchain? Nope. So, technically speaking, no, Lunar isn't a cryptocurrency. It's more like a rewards program, cleverly disguised as something futuristic. But wait, there's more. Lunar does something smart. It taps into our psychology. We love the idea of earning something for free, especially when it feels like we're part of something new and exciting. Lunar plays on this by using crypto-like language and imagery. It's like dressing up a regular car in a spaceship suit. It looks cool, but it's still just a car. So, why does this matter? Understanding the difference between a cryptocurrency and a rewards program is crucial. Cryptocurrencies offer potential for investment and financial independence. Rewards programs, while nice, are usually limited and controlled by the company offering them. But let's not be too harsh on Lunar. It's a clever product that rewards user behavior. And who doesn't love a little extra cash back? Just don't mistake it for a get-rich-quick scheme. The crypto world is full of shiny objects. It's easy to get caught up in the hype. But before you invest your hard-earned money, do your research. Understand the technology, the risks, and the potential rewards. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the crypto sky, but don't forget to look down at your feet too.